Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to apply vitamin E in your hair using an easy method. First, gather your supplies. You will need pure vitamin E oil or about 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules. If using capsules, carefully puncture them and squeeze out the oil. For best results, dilute the vitamin E oil with an equal amount of a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil. This makes it easier to spread and less concentrated. Now let's apply the oil. Take a small amount of the diluted vitamin E mixture onto your fingertips. Gently massage it into your scalp, working in sections to ensure even coverage. Pay special attention to any dry or flaky areas. After covering your scalp, take a pea-sized amount and lightly coat your hair strands from mid-length to the ends. This helps to condition and protect your hair. After applying the oil, take 5 to 10 minutes to gently massage your scalp. This helps the oil penetrate better and stimulates blood circulation, which is beneficial for hair health. Once massaged, let the vitamin E oil sit in your hair for at least 30 minutes. For an even deeper conditioning treatment, you can leave the oil on overnight. Just be sure to cover your pillow with a towel to prevent any staining. Finally, it's time to rinse. Wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo, ensuring all the oil is completely removed. You might need to shampoo twice to get rid of any residue. Follow up with your regular conditioner to lock in moisture and leave your hair feeling soft and smooth. For the best results, aim to apply vitamin E oil to your hair 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency is key for healthy, vibrant hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.